Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take Hikari Glutathione. For best results, you should take 2 to 3 capsules every day. It's important to consume these capsules about 30 minutes before you eat a meal. This timing helps your body absorb the ingredients more effectively. Remember, consistency is truly key when it comes to supplements like this, so make it a regular part of your daily routine to see the best outcomes. To maximize the absorption and effectiveness of your Hikari Glutathione, there are a few simple practices to follow. First, ensure you're drinking plenty of water throughout your day. Staying hydrated is crucial. Second, try to limit your intake of alcohol and excessive caffeine, as these can sometimes hinder absorption. Finally, consider pairing your glutathione with a vitamin C supplement, as vitamin C is known to enhance its benefits significantly. Before starting any new supplement regimen, including Hikari Glutathione, it is always wise to consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice based on your individual health needs. Also, it is very important not to exceed the recommended daily dosage of 2 to 3 capsules. Lastly, ensure you store your capsules in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain their potency and quality. With consistent and proper use, Hikari Glutathione offers several long-term benefits. You can expect to see support for your overall skin health, contributing to a more radiant complexion. Glutathione is also known for its role in aiding the body's natural detoxification processes, which is a fantastic bonus. Over time, many users enjoy a brighter, more even skin tone, reflecting the internal and external benefits of this powerful supplement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.